Hello, good people. Welcome back to this channel. We have another module, Customer 360 Guide for Discrete Manufacturing. This is a new module. Please, before we begin, subscribe to this channel to get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. The subscription button is on your screen at the bottom right. After that, we shall dive into the first unit, get familiar with the guide. So this unit has two learning objectives. Please go through the learning objectives. We have notes. Please go through the notes. Go through all the notes from top to bottom until the end of it. You'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which of these things does the Customer 360 Guide for Discrete Manufacturing help for you accomplish? Build a single account view of your customer, implementing an abandoned cart journey, creating B2C solutions, and then designing a Customer 360 solution for process manufacturing. The right answer here is A. The Customer 360 Guide for Discrete Manufacturing serves as a map to accomplish which of these: redeeming coupons, personalizing marketing recommendations, ordering on behalf of, and creating frictionless purchasing experience. The right answer is D. I'll check my challenge and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel to get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. Until then, bye-bye.